Hey guys, this is Brandon with the Millionaire Mindsets coming to you live with another great and informative video on how you can make money online. Guys, in this video, I'm going to literally be showing you how to turn 1 cent into $1 million in 12 months. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, this is unbelievable. I don't believe this guy. This guy is full of it. But I promise you, if you stay to the end and watch this entire video, you're going to enjoy the technique that I'm going to be showing you, and you're going to see how realistic that it is. But you have to stay to the end of this video. Now, to jump into it, guys, I'm going to be showing you a site called Webull, and I'll leave the link in the description box. Webull is a site which allows you to buy and sell stock. The stock market deals with the stock market, trading. Now, here is their site. This is 100% legit. They have customer service line through Facebook, Instagram, and they respond really quickly. They show you some details a little bit when you go to their site, which I'll leave the site on their I leave the site in the description box as well. They also have an email and a customer service telephone number. This is 100% legit, guys. Now, it is way easier to go to your app store, whether you have Android or iPhone, and to download the app and navigate Webull through the app rather than using a computer. It's a lot easier with the app. But if you do want to go on the computer to manage it, I'll leave that link in the description box as well. There's a totally different site as far as logging in. But basically, if you want to log in from a laptop, you'll go to the site, and whether you have Windows, Mac, Chrome, you'll download it here. But it's way easier on an app, just being honest with that. Now, let's talk about how you can turn 1 penny into $1 million in 12 months. So I have a little layout for you guys. Here's how it works, guys. When you first get started in Webull, they're going to give you a free stock if you just invest any amount of money. It don't matter how much the amount of money is. So you can invest 1 cent, literally, guys, 1 penny, 1 cent, and they'll give you a free stock. Now, you may be asking how much that stock is. The stock can range anywhere from $12 to $240, but it's never less than $12. Okay? So, you invest a penny, they can give you a free stock of $12, $50, $100, $240. But the stock is never less than $12. So let's go with the bare minimum, guys. You invest 1 penny, the company will give you a stock of $12. That's a $12 return on investment from just investing 1 penny. Now, here's the cool part about it. When you refer other people to Webull, they go to your referral link, download the app and get started. When the people you refer invest 1 penny, you also get $12 in, free stock. So, say for whatever reason, the person you're referring does not have 1 penny. Or they don't have a bank account, which that's the only way you can invest, guys. You have to invest using a bank account. Okay? But say they don't have a penny or a bank account. They can sign up for something called Chime, and you can as well. CHIME, Chime. And Chime allows you to open up a bank account and get started on it the same day. So if they don't have a penny or a bank account, you can download the Chime app, and it takes 3 to 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. Open up a free bank account, and you can send them a penny through Chime. And they can use that penny to invest in Webull. That's if they don't have a penny or a bank account. But 9 times out of 10, someone should have a penny and a bank account. Okay? Now, if they don't have a penny, you can send them a penny. So out of that $12 return on investment, you're going to net $11.90 because you're going to invest 10 cents out of the $12 and buy 10 people win. For each 10 people, you get $12 in free stock. Now your return on investment is $120. Out of the $120, you're going to use 20 cents to now buy 20 people in. It only takes a penny per person to buy in. 20 people in times $12 of free stocks. Now you're receiving $240 on your investment. Out of the $240, you'll net $239.70 because you're investing 30 cents to buy, 50 cents to buy 50 people in. 50 people, you'll each get $12 minimum. Could be more, but $12 minimum of free stock. 50 times 12 is 600. Out of the 600, you're going to invest $1 and buy 100 people in. 100 times 12, you receive $1,200 on your investment. Keep in mind, guys, when you first started this, you only invested 1 cent. And we're on month 5. We're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're on month 5. Out of the $1,200, you're going to invest $2. That $2 will give you buy you 200 people in. Only a penny to buy a person in. 200 times $12 of free stocks and give you $2,400. Do you see where I'm going, guys? You're not coming out of pocket to reinvest. You're reinvesting out of your profit. The only time that you ever came out of pocket was when you originally first started with 1 penny. 1 penny is all you have to come out of pocket with. After that, you're coming out of pocket. You're not coming out of pocket. You're using less than 1/10 of your profit to reinvest. Less than 1/10 of your profit to reinvest. So, to jump down to month 12, you reinvested in your business over the 12 months. Not out of pocket, just out of your profit. You only invested 1 penny. But month 12, $900 is what you invested out of your profit, which brought you 90,000 people in, and you get $12 in free stock from them each. And now, that profited you $1 million. A little over $1 million. $1 million, guys. All you invested was 1 cent. Most people are going to have a penny to invest, but this is worst case scenario, bare minimum, which is $12 a stock. But you can receive more, but this is bare minimum. Imagine what these numbers would be if you receive $20 free stock, for each person you refer. But this is bare minimum. Worst case scenario, if someone doesn't have 1 cent, paying for their, deposit. Guys, this is money you can cash out straight to your bank account. No third parties. Straight to your bank account. Okay? This is not easy because it does take work. You have to build this up and stick with the game plan. Now, you may be asking yourself, guys, 90,000 people, that's a lot of people. But you have to consider the fact that this is a free opportunity. So, it doesn't matter if, is 90,000, 1 million, 10 people. It's a free opportunity, and people are going to jump to the idea that it's literally free. It's free to open up a Webull account. Now, to get your free stock, it only costs a penny. So literally, you can still say it's free. A penny is the most you're ever investing, and also the most that the person you refer is ever investing. Now, start a Facebook page, a stock page or investing page. Add your friends to your Facebook page or Facebook group. Once you add your friends, tell them to add their friends to your Facebook page or like your page or your group. And it keeps growing. As you post about Webull in your Facebook group, the more and more the referrals that you're going to have. Go to people who need jobs or need work or, retired people who, looking to make extra money. This is the type of money that the bank would never give you guys. This is a simple, I won't say easy because it takes a little bit of work, but this is a simple game plan on how you can make $1 million from just investing 1 penny. Guys, some people may be confused of this illustration that I just went over. Play this video back as many times as you like so you can grasp the concept. But I will leave the Webull link in the description box. You click on the link, sign up, guys. First name, last name, email, create a password, and you're going to download the app in your iTunes or your Apple Store, whether you have iPhone, or your Android store, whether you have an Android. A simple way, guys, on how you can turn 1 penny into $1 million. Stick with the game plan. Guys, this is something you should definitely sign up for, being that you have nothing to lose, not even 1 cent. Because you'll get $12 in free stock. As soon as you invest that penny, you'll get that $12 in free stock. Now, some of the stock takes 7 days to mature. So every week you can cash out if you want. Every 7 days. Every week you can cash out if you want. You may also want to keep some of your stocks, because a $12 stock in 1 year could be worth, I don't know, $80. Or the $12 stock can be worth $400 if you keep the stock and then sell it once it reaches, $400 or whatever. So you do have the option to keep your stock and, let it build up. Or you can do what I just showed you if you don't mind referring people for a free opportunity to make money. You can sell your stock as soon as you get it. And every person you refer to this opportunity, guys, to Webull, they're going to give you a free stock for just referring someone. Once they deposit 1 penny. And again, guys, I also leave the website Chime in the description box, because you will have some of those people who don't have bank accounts, which they can download the Chime app 100% free on their Apple or Android phone, the Chime app, which, sign up for a free bank account. This, guys, is how you can turn 1 cent into $1 million. I'll leave the link for both Chime and Webull in the description box. Until next time, guys, peace.